Good morning, students. Hope you all are doing well at your home. This is your maths class and we are doing subtraction. Chapter number 2, subtraction. So students, we did many things in subtraction like subtracting ones, number lines, some story sums, right students? Today we will start a new topic, but before starting new topic, we will revise some story sums which we did in the last class. In the last class we did some story sums. So today we will revise some story sums. After that we will start our new topic. So let's revise story sums. So the question number 1 is, Rekha has 8 mangoes. Now students, here are some mangoes. And how many mangoes? 8 mangoes. Radha takes 6 mangoes. Out of 8 mangoes, Radha takes 6 mangoes. How many mangoes are left? After taking 6 mangoes out of 8 mangoes, how many mangoes are left with Rekha? Students, Rekha के पास 8 mangoes हैं. Out of 8 mangoes, Radha takes 6 mangoes. So after taking 6 mangoes, how many mangoes are left? लेने के बाद अगर वो 6 mangoes ले लेती है तो कितने mangoes बचेंगे रेखा के पास? So student करते हैं. Now we'll do. Radha takes 6 mangoes. If Radha takes 6 mangoes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If Radha takes these 6 mangoes, then how many mangoes are left with Rekha? 1, 2. It means 2 mangoes are left with Rekha. Again, I am explaining you students. Rekha has 8 mangoes and Radha takes 6 mangoes. And after taking 6 mangoes out of 8 mangoes, now Rekha has 2 mangoes. अब Rekha के पास कितने mangoes हैं? 2 mangoes. It means we can say that 8 mangoes minus 6 mangoes equal to 2 mangoes, right? Or we can say that 8 minus 6 equals to 2, right? Or we can say that 8 mangoes minus 6 mangoes equals to 2 mangoes. Both these are same. Both they are same. Come to the next question. Now Meena has 7 toffees. She gives 5 toffees to her friend. How many toffees are left? Dash toffees are left. So basically student, now what do you have to do? Meena has 7 toffees. Out of these 7 toffees, she gives 5 toffees to her friend. So after giving 5 toffees to her friend, how many toffees are left with Meena? 7 में से 5 toffees friend को देने के बाद मीना के पास कितनी toffees बचती हैं? Let's count. So she gives 5 toffees to friend. Friend को दे देते हैं 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we have given 5 toffees to her friend. Now count how many toffees are left with her. 1, 2. It means after giving 5 toffees to her friend, now she has only 2 toffees. 2 toffees are left. So out of 7, if we will subtract 5, we will get 2. So we can say that 7 minus 5 equals to 2 students. Or we can say that 7 toffees minus 5 toffees equals to 2 toffees, right? Students, these 2 points are very important. So, at the time of subtraction, you should know these 2 points. It means you have to keep these 2 points in your mind, students. So, let's read first one. We always write the greater number first or above the smaller number. As we all know, at the time of subtraction, we always write greater number first. After that, we write smaller number, right? Just like if I will give you example that you have to subtract 2 from 6. It means आपको 2 6 में से subtract करना है. So the point is saying that you have to write greater number first. देखा आपने greater number पहले लिखा है, smaller number बाद में रखा है. If we will do this subtraction into tabular form, just like this is ones, right student? This is also ones and this is also ones. If we will subtract it into टैबुलर फॉर्म, तो यहाँ से एक ही तो कॉलम बनेगी हमारी, राइट, सिर्फ वंस की. तो बड़ा कौन है? 6 इज ग्रेटर, तो हम 6 को पहले रखेंगे. एंड हु इज स्मॉलर? 2 इज स्मॉलर, तो हम 2 को बाद में रखेंगे. सो दिस विल बी द प्रोसेस ऑफ सब्ट्रैक्शन. सो द फर्स्ट पॉइंट इज वी ऑलवेज राइट द ग्रेटर नंबर फर्स्ट और अबव द स्मॉलर नंबर. वी कैन से कि या तो हम पहले रखेंगे या स्मॉलर नंबर के ऊपर रखेंगे. नाउ वी कैन सब्ट्रैक्ट इट इजीली, राइट? नाउ the second one is taking away 0 from any number leave us with the same number. As I told you before that if we will subtract 0 from any number, we always get number itself in answer. Why? Because there is no value of 0. Just like if we take one example, if I write 7 minus 0. So students, 7 minus 0 is what? If I will say that I have 7 balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right? And I will subtract 0 balls from 7 balls. So there is no value of 0. It means we will not subtract anything from these 7 balls. Right? So what we will get in answer after subtracting 0? We will get all the 7 balls. It means we can say that 7 minus 0 equals to 7. हम कह सकते हैं कि अगर हम किसी भी नंबर में से 0 को माइनस करते हैं तो हमेशा आंसर क्या आएगा? नंबर इटसेल्फ, जो नंबर है वो ही हमारा आंसर होगा, बिकॉज देयर इज नो वैल्यू ऑफ 0. सो स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ वी हैव डन दीज 2 पॉइंट्स. नाउ वी विल डू आवर नेक्स्ट टॉपिक. नाउ we'll start a new topic and the topic is subtracting tens and ones. So students, till now we did subtracting ones, right? कि ones में से ones को कैसे minus किया, but today we will learn that how we will subtract tens and ones together, right? के साथ में हम इन दोनों को कैसे subtract करेंगे. So students, I think now you all know because we have discussed before what are tens and what are ones. So today we will learn that how we will subtract tens and ones together. So there are some numbers just like 12, 16 and 17, 4, 8, 5. So I have written these numbers in tens and these number in ones. It means they are tens and they are one, students. Why they are tens? They are tens because they have 2 digits. They have 2 digits. And I told you that 2-digit number is tens. 2-digit number is tens. And if there is single digit, so it is called ones. So 4 is single digit, so 4 is ones. 8 is single digit, 8 is ones. 5 is single digit, 5 is ones. But 17 क्या है? They are 2 digits. So this is 2-digit number. So we will call it tens. Right, students? So today we will learn that tens and ones subtraction. Tens में से ones को कैसे subtract करेंगे. Now students, what do you have to see first? आपको क्या देखना है? नाउ अगर हम 12 को और 4 को कंपेयर करें, इफ वी विल कंपेयर 12 एंड 4, विच इज ग्रेटर नंबर? 12 इज ग्रेटर नंबर, 4 इज स्मॉलर नंबर. कैन वी सब्ट्रैक्ट 12 फ्रॉम 4? क्या हम 12 को 4 में से सब्ट्रैक्ट कर सकते हैं? लेट्स सी, देखते हैं कैसे कर सकते हैं या नहीं कर सकते. क्या करना है? 4 में से 12 को माइनस करना है. इफ आई हैव 4 स्टार्स, 1, 2, 3, 4. And I will say subtract 12 stars from this. So can we subtract? No, because we have only 4 stars. और हमें इसमें से 12 subtract करने तो हमारे पास तो है ही नहीं, right student? So हम इसको subtract कर ही नहीं सकते. But we have learned 2 points that we have to write bigger number first. Always we have to write bigger number first. तो अगर हमें इन दोनों को सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है तो व्हाट वी विल राइट? 12 हम पहले लिखेंगे, 4 हम बाद में लिखेंगे. इट मीन्स 12 minus 4 we can do, but 4 minus 12 we cannot do, right? So अब हम देखेंगे, अब हम पढ़ेंगे कि how we will subtract tens and ones in tabular form. Now we'll do the subtraction of tens and ones. Subtract 4 from 16. Now what you have to do, you have to subtract from 16. Right students? 16 is bigger number and 4 is smaller number. Now you have to solve this sum with 3 steps. So the step number 1, write the greater number above the smaller number. Right? So what you have to write now, you will write greater number first, or we can say write the greater number above the smaller number. छोटे number के ऊपर बड़ा number लिखो. So who is bigger number? 16 is bigger number. Now there will be confusion for you that where you will write 6, where you will write 1. So students, in 16, 6 is ones. Right? This is ones and this is tens. Now it is very easy to put here. So ones को ones की जगह लिखो, tens को tens की place में लिखो. Right? Now come to 4. Now we have to subtract 4 from 16. So where we will write 4? 4 is single digit. It means it is ones. Right? So इसको यहाँ रख दो. Right? Now see, there is nothing to subtract. Only 1 is here. It means only single number is here. There is nothing. So what you will do students, अगर आपके पास कुछ भी नहीं है तो you have to consider this number as 0. आपको मान के चलना है कि यहाँ 0 है. And this is subtraction sign. This is subtraction sign. Now the second step is subtract the ones. Now in second step what you will do, you will subtract ones first. You will subtract these digits. Right? Now subtract 6 minus 4. Like make 6 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And you will subtract 4. आप कितना minus करोगे? 4. So cut 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. After cutting the 4 lines, how many lines are left now? Only 2. So we will write 2. 6 minus 4 is 2. Now student, the third step is subtract the tens. After subtracting ones, what we will do? We will subtract tens. Now look here, there is nothing to subtract. It means what we will consider? We will consider that here is 0. Mind में consider करो कि यहाँ पे 0 है. There is no need to write 0 here. So आपको क्या करना है? 1 में से 0 को माइनस करना है. कुछ नहीं है तो हमें क्या लगाना है कि हमें क्या कंसिडर करना है कि यहाँ पे 0 है. Now what you will do? You will subtract 1 minus 0. And I told you that if we will subtract 0 from any number, what we will get in answer? Number itself. जिसमें से माइनस कर रहे हो वही उसका आंसर होगा. Right? क्योंकि 0 की तो कोई वैल्यू ही नहीं है. So if we will subtract 0 from 1, what we will get? 1. It means 1 as it is यहाँ आ जाएगा. Right students? So we can say 16 minus 4 is 12. We can write that 16 minus 4 equals to 12. Right? Why 2 in ones digit? क्योंकि ये ones था. 1 क्या बन गया? 110 को हम 10 कैसे लिख सकते हैं? स्टूडेंट देखो, अब हम इसको लिख कैसे सकते हैं? अब आप पूछ रहे होगे कि ये बना कैसे? राइट? अब 12 बन के कैसे आया? देखिए, अगर मैं बोलूं कि 12 कैसे बनाए, तो 12 कैसे बनाए? 2 1 प्लेस पे है तो 2 1 मतलब 2 ही आएगा बेटा. अब 1 को हमने 10 कैसे कंसिडर कर दिया? अब ये क्या है? ये 10 प्लेस पे है और ये आपका 1 प्लेस पे था. राइट? तो 2 1s तो 2 1 आ गया. अब 1 10s का मतलब क्या है कि जो 1 है वो 10 टाइम्स है, और अगर मैं 1 को 10 टाइम्स लिखूंगी तो क्या आएगा? 10 आएगा. इट मीन्स 10 प्लस 2 क्या बन गया बेटा? 12. We have learned number bond in the previous chapter, right? तो 12 कैसे बना? 10 plus 2. So we can say that 16 minus 4 equals to 12. Now come to next question. Subtract 3 from 17. Students, from का मतलब है कि 17 में से 3 को माइनस करना है. And we have learned that we always write bigger number first. तो आप खुद ही समझ जाओगे कि 3 में से तो 17 हमें माइनस अभी करना ही नहीं है. हमें तो 17 में से 3 को माइनस करना है. Why? Because 17 is greater number, right? So how can we write 3 from 17 in a very simple form? हम कैसे लिख सकते हैं? 3 from 17 का मतलब क्या है स्टूडेंट्स? कि 17 में से you have to subtract 3. 17 minus 3 equals to, we will find out. ये हम find out करेंगे, right? Now we will put this situation, this into tabular form, right? इसको हम कहाँ लिखेंगे? Tabular form. This condition into tabular form. ये जो भी हमारे पास situation है ये इस टाइम पे ये इक्वेशन सिचुएशन जो भी है इसको हम यहाँ पे पुट करेंगे. हाउ? नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, which is bigger number? 17 is bigger number, so we will put 17 here. 7 in 1's place and 1 in 10's place. After that we will write 3. 3 in 1's place because 3 is single digit number. Now we will subtract it easily. Now 7 minus 3. This is subtraction sign. Make 7 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Subtract 3 lines. 1, 2, 3. After subtracting 3 lines from 7 lines, how many lines are left now? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Right? How many lines are left now? 4. So we can say 7 minus 3 is 4. Now again, there is only one number. So we will consider 0 number as a second number. So हम क्या करेंगे? 1 में से 0 को माइनस करो तो क्या ही आएगा? 1 ही आएगा. So we can write 1 here. So if we will subtract 3 from 17, what we will get? 14, right? Now come to the next question. Now we will take some bigger number to subtract, right? So अभी तक हम क्या कर रहे थे? अभी तक हम 12 में से 13 में से means less than 20 number में से अभी तक हम subtract कर रहे थे, right? But now I am taking some bigger number, right? Subtract 7 from 39. So अब हमें 7 को 39 में से subtract करना है. So what we can say, हम बोल सकते हैं 39 minus 7 लिख सकते हैं वैसे कि 39 में से we have to subtract 7 now. So 39 minus 7 is what? That we will find out. So 39 is bigger number, so we will put 39 first. So 3 is tens, 9 is ones. After that we will subtract 7, so we will write subtract in ones column. यहाँ 7 लिखिए ones column में, right? Now what you will do, you will subtract ones first. सबसे पहले हमें ones को माइनस करना है, तो 9 में से 7 माइनस करिए. Make 9 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Subtract 7 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So after subtracting 7 lines from 9 lines, students, how many lines are left now? Only 2. So we can write here 2. We can say that 9 minus 7 is 2. Now come to the next. This is tens. Now there is only single number. So we will consider 0 as a second number, right? So 3 minus 0 is कुछ है ही नहीं, तो हम ये क्या मान के चलते हैं? माइंड में 0. There is no need to write 0 here. राइट? क्या मान के चलेंगे कि 0 है. 3 में से 0 को माइनस किया तो क्या आएगा बेटा? 3 आएगा. सो वी कैन से दैट 39 minus 7 is 32. 39 minus 7 is 32. So if we will subtract 7 from 39, what we will get? We will get 32. Now the next one is subtract 2 from 58. Now 58 is bigger number and 2 is smaller number. So we can write 58 minus 2. लिख सकते हैं हम कि हमें 58 में से 2 को माइनस करना है. Right? So 58 is bigger number. So we will write first 58. 5 is tens. 8 is ones. So we will write it in ones column. Now after that what we will write? 2. 2 क्या है? Ones है तो उसको ones की जगह रख दो. Right? Now we will subtract 8 and 2. So we will subtract ones first. 8 में से 2 को माइनस करो. Students make 8 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now you will subtract 2 lines from 8 lines. Minus karo. 1, 2. So after subtracting 2 lines from 8 lines, how many lines are left now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It means we can say that 8 minus 2 is 6. Now again come here on tens. There is only single digit. तो क्या लिख सकते हैं हम? डायरेक्ट 5 लिख सकते हैं. Why? Because there is no any digit. तो हमें क्या कंसिडर करना है? 0 कंसिडर करना है. और अगर हम 5 में से 0 को माइनस करेंगे तो आंसर क्या आएगा बेटा? 5 ही तो आएगा. So we can write 5 here. We can say that 58 minus 2 is 56. हम लिख सकते हैं कि 58 में से अगर 2 को माइनस करते हैं तो क्या आएगा? 56. So students, we have done our today's topic. See you in the next class.